Centralizing control for devices during new home construction makes future automation easier and avoids costly rewiring later. Start by planning a dedicated automation hub location near the main network equipment and a reliable power source to minimize cable runs and interference. Choose a primary hub that supports local control such as Hubitat or Home Assistant to keep core logic on site and reduce cloud dependence. Set it up on a small computer or dedicated appliance, and document all device addresses and passwords in a secure vault. Use Zigbee and Z Wave bridges where needed so battery-powered and mesh devices form strong local networks. Place repeaters like smart switches or powered plugs every 30 to 50 feet to prevent dead zones and verify mesh health with the hub diagnostic tools. Create automation routines as reusable scenes and separate triggers from actions so you can reuse actions across schedules or triggers. Name scenes and automations consistently and include a short description for each so anyone can understand intent later. Integrate voice assistants for hands-free control, but keep critical automation rules on the local hub so essential functions work if cloud services fail. Segment the network so Internet of Things devices are on a different subnet or virtual local area network with firewall rules limiting only necessary outbound connections, and use unique, strong passphrases for device accounts and the hub administrative interface. Common issues include weak mesh networks causing unreliable device response, so add powered repeaters and rebalance node placement rather than relying on line of sight. Another frequent problem is over-complex automations that become fragile. Simplify by breaking large routines into smaller conditional steps and test each step manually before enabling scheduled runs. Security is often overlooked, so avoid putting devices on the main network, change default credentials immediately, and enable two-factor authentication where available, and schedule periodic firmware updates during low-use windows to minimize disruption. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can implement hub installation, network segmentation, and wiring work tailored to new construction, and it also helps contractors show availability and bid on projects. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, troubleshoot configurations, and share real-world experiences so our users learn what works before they buy.